Hey guys, it's that Dividend guy here. Happy Wednesday! Today's my last class, so I wanted to make sure that I did the video before I left. It's about 1 o'clock right now, so market's still open, so prices will fluctuate during the video. Not a big deal. But today, currently we're up about 27 bucks. For the week, we're up about 233. For the month, we're up 1,300 plus. For the month, we're up $2,400. For the year, we're up $1,700 and all time we're up $1,600. So since pretty much the 1 month, we're beating the S&P, which is phenomenal. Nearly 20% on the 3 month and nearly 12% on the year. So doing really well. We're beating the S&P by 10% or 4%, whatever. That's great. Whatever I can get above the S&P. I mean, they say normal fund managers can't beat the S&P, and we've been doing it for like the past week, I think, at least maybe week and a half. Since I've been recording, we might have been beating it overall. Not quite sure, but let's take a look and see who is pushing the portfolio today, because it changes, which is surprising. It changes day over day. Altria Group is up $173. Coca-Cola, which usually is pretty sideways, so I don't get to see big gains on that, but it's up 21 bucks, not too bad. AT&T is up almost $500. AbbVie, which is the big mover, is up almost $880, which is awesome. That is 2 months of my rent. WBA is up $7.61. I keep seeing really big movements in that. I know I've said that before when it moved $8, but a single share moving $7. If you had 100 shares, you'd be up $700. About what I'd be up, or probably a little more than I'd be up on AbbVie now. ExxonMobil's down. It's always down. Used to it. Whatever. Target is up $214. So again, guys, we're up one, two, three, four. We're up triple digits on four positions. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Almost $2,000 we're up. That is crazy for, that's nuts. For 7 holdings, $1,600 portfolio, that's pretty dang good. What, 1,800 bucks? That's what, like a 10% of the portfolio? $1,600 would be. Jeez, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. Anyway, I'm going to show you my watch list again. It changed a little bit. I know it changes day over day. It's like, why don't you just keep it? I do research during the day and during the nighttime, and there's a couple that I've switched out. I think only one that I've really changed. But I haven't organized when they pay, so I have Philip Morris, which is just like Altria. It's just a little bit more expensive. Pays a better dividend, though, like dollar-wise. So that I will be adding, and then Walmart, biggest retailer in the world, think they're a really safe play, like them a lot. Illinois Toolworks, talked about them before. Ecolab, talked about them as well. Their dividend is pretty small for the price you pay, but they do have really good growth, and the reason I love it is because their payout ratio is about 33%. Normally, the stocks I invest in are up to like 50 to 60% because they've been doing this for so long. Sorry about that alarm. I was gonna take a shower, but I decided to record beforehand. So, but Ecolab has a great dividend payout ratio, great growth. So happy about that. Lowe's, I've said it before, they've paid since they've been on the market. Love them. Procter and Gamble's another king. Caterpillar just added it. They have a great dividend yield, and they have their dividend aristocrat. Waste Management said in the last few videos they're never. I don't think they're ever going to go away. Their business is always going to be needed. Johnson & Johnson, big healthcare stock. 3M, I know I've talked about. McDonald's is a real estate company on burgers and fries. I just got rid of Visa. I like Visa, but the dividend's only 30 cents, and it's almost a $200 stock. So then we have Apple and Disney, just because I love Apple and I love Disney. So I only got rid of one stock. I believe I might have added Philip Morris, but those are the stocks on my watch list. Our portfolio is doing really, really well. And guys, again, I know I've been doing Disney Plus content lately. I've done a few news stories here and there. I'm just trying to get more content out than just the Robinhood videos. I know Robinhood gets the most amount of views. You guys love these. I love doing them. This is my favorite video to do on the channel. I just kind of want to mix it up. I don't want to just continuously do Robinhood videos all the time. I like to dabble with news and stuff like that, especially when it comes to bigger stocks, like say Alibaba, Facebook, maybe Amazon, like these FANG stocks, or just the bigger positions in my portfolio too, like Jewel News, stuff like that. it impacts investors, and I think it's really important that you guys hear it. I know they don't get as much views, like I said, as the Robinhood videos, and I will keep up Robinhood videos. I just want to do more than just Robinhood content sometimes, you know? I don't want to be like a one-trick pony. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for checking out the Disney Plus launch video. I filmed it right when it launched, and then I filmed a video of me walking through Disney Plus on every tab, showing you the content that I could find. There was still some stuff that I didn't see, but I was surprised at the vast array of shows that we get on Disney Plus. So, if you guys don't know, there's a 7-day free trial on Disney Plus. Might as well try it, see if you like it, right? If you're in the U.S., you might as well do it. See if you got kids or whatever. They got Disney Junior stuff on there too. They have such a wide array of content. But anyway, happy I did that. So let me know if you guys really enjoy the news videos. I know you guys love the Robinhood videos, so keep those coming. But thank you guys so much for subscribing. I've been getting a few subscribers a day, which is pretty crazy for me. I think it's great growth. I've been getting 20 to 30 views on each of these videos on the Robinhood stuff. So 5 of those a day is, you know, that adds up for views as well. So just want to say thank you. I know I probably say it every video, broken record, probably annoy you guys a little bit, but I'm really humble by the progress that I've made and the videos that I've made and the consistency and how many friends I've made on this channel already. I mean, I've made a few, like 4 or 5 really good friends on Instagram, but I've already made like 3 or 4 really good friends on YouTube since I've started. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everybody that comments means the world to me. I love talking to people about stocks, so you know, feel free to comment down there. It really does. It helps motivate me and keeps me, you know, keeps my head up, keeps me wanting to stay hungry and pumped up about dividend investing. So thank you guys so much for the support. I really do appreciate it. So I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. But before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And when you do, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any videos I post. Like I said, I'm trying to do some news videos. I do a Robinhood portfolio update Monday through Friday, so you can expect 5 videos from me a week updating you on my portfolio performance, how my stocks are doing day over day, and the watch list changes that I make. But from here on out, I'm sure I'm probably going to keep the watch list pretty stationary. I'm not going to change it much. I found stocks that I really like that have great growth history, so I won't be changing it. I might add a couple because I'm kind of iffy on how many I want right now. It's changed from like 30 to 15 to 20. Now I'm at like 22 or like 21 because I added Apple and Disney, but those are 2 of my favorite companies. So, I mean, if I really love the company, I think I'll probably push it just because I don't care about how many holdings I have, really. It's more about the companies that I love. So, anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you don't miss any Robinhood update videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Wednesday, guys. Portfolio's up. We're up past 16K. Whoop, whoop. See you tomorrow. Take care, guys.